Hi, I'm Carol Hunter, and I am so excited. Wow, many of you have been asking me for a long time, when is the next class? When are you coming back to my city? When are you coming back to my church? Well, I've been working for the last year and a half, overhauling all of my teaching products and my materials and everything financial. And over the years, I've had the awesome opportunity of helping a lot of you walk out of debt into your financial destiny or just getting to a place of financial peace. But for some, it was not sustainable for a whole lot of reasons. And so now, after over 25 years of working in this industry and in this arena, I finally know what the missing piece is to help you have sustainable, perpetual financial peace. And so that was the reason behind this major overhaul, and it's definitely 21st century ready and beyond. So for those of you that are really ready to own your economy, I mean totally control your own financial destiny, then I have something really exciting to launch. And it's coming in a few days. And so if you want to join me and find out about this, I've set up a conference call, and all you have to do is click the link, and you will receive all of the information about that conference call that's coming up. Now, don't worry if you don't live on the East Coast and you're in a different time zone, because I am going to record that call, and so I'm trying to cover all the bases so no one is left out or left behind. And so a few days after the call is over, then we will send out the link to anyone that registered for the conference call, and you will be able to watch it on demand so that you can participate in this cutting-edge technology. So simply click the link, put your information in there, and expect to receive an email. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in a few days. So you've known me as Carol Hunter, Minister Hunter, the Prosperity Lady. Well, I've got a new one for you. I am your restoration strategist, because the reality is many people listening to me right now and looking at this video need a restoration of some sort in your life. And what I know to be true after working in this industry for over 2 decades, if I can help you restore your finances, then I can definitely show you how to transform your life. So here's to your financial peace and you owning your own economy. And I will look forward to joining you on the conference call in a few days.